Arish, please stop the cursor at your end. Okay, lens formula. So basically, similar to the mirror formula, we have lens formula that we use to find the focal length of a lens, image distance, optic distance, depending on the right. Okay, so first of all, we have no need to write. Okay, so the formula is 1 by v minus 1 by u. So we have to use the sign as well. Okay. Is that you are saying something?
No, sir, I didn't say anything.
Okay, okay. So this is the lens formula. Is this clear to all of you? Okay. You have to use the proper sign convention. How to stop these cursors? Fine. So I was telling you that what is the lens formula? The lens formula is basically 1 by f is equals to 1 by b minus 1 by u. So the numericals are exactly, you can say, similar to the mirror formula, right? As if now I don't have the numericals right now, right? So as I've told you that we'll discuss the numericals in the in a separate class. Right now I'm just covering the theory of this chapter, right? So I'll be telling you, please open your notes along with you so that I can, whatever I'm saying, so that could be clear to you, right, everyone? Then Aayan, Arish, and Iqbal. Faizan, US. Okay. So similar to the lens formula, mirror formula, lens formula, and the magnification for the lens formula is V by U. In the mirror, there was minus V by U, right? But in the lens, that is the V by U case, right? In this, you have to use the sign convention. Okay. Sign convention. Means that you have to substitute the proper values along with the sign. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Right. Okay. So this is how the lens formula will proceed. Next thing that we are going to discuss is the power of a lens. I will basically like you will do the numericals in a separate class, right? Right now, just complete the theory. So now in the next topic, who is basically writing it? Please do not write on the screen, anyone. Okay. B by U. So now the next thing that we are going to discuss is power of a lens. It's a very small topic, not that much big. So power of a lens means that suppose that you are using the spectacles right now. So there must be some power of those glasses. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
Yes or no? Aayan, Faizan, Zainab, and Arish, right? So the power means that how much the converting or diverting power does basically the lens possesses, right? So the power of a lens, basically, the formula for the power of a lens is 1 by f if the focal length is in meter, or power of a lens is 100 by f if the power is in centimeter. So two formulas are there. So basically nothing but if you convert the focal length into centimeter, so 100 will go in the numerator because that would be a double division, right? So that's why this is nothing but the same formula, just the extended part, right? So power of a lens is this, and the SI unit of power of a lens is basically diopter and it is denoted by D. Gungun, do you have class of physics right now, Vijay? Gungun and Arshil, do you have class of physics right now with me? चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है, so this is the power of a lens. So in the power of a lens, basically the power of a lens depends on the focal length. Higher the focal length, lower will be the power, right? Higher the focal length, it means that larger the focal length, smaller will be the power. Okay. So can I erase this thing, everyone? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let me erase it. Okay. Now let's discuss the sign. The focal length of convex lens is positive. So that's why the power will also be positive. Focal length of a convex lens is positive, so the power will be positive. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes.
Clear? Similarly, focal concave lens, that is negative. So the power will also be negative. Power will also be negative. Yes, everyone. Please check. Is this clear to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So the power of a focal length is also negative. You please read. Just a minute. Yes, I think somebody was saying something. Could you please repeat again? Ashil, are you the student of this class? So in the power of a lens, there is also a small topic. Before that, let me tell you how do you define the diopter power of a lens from diopter. Okay. Gungun, you are saying something?
Ready, sir?
So now let's understand the combination of power of
जाते ना तो जाना चाहिए था ना भाई कौन है
so combination of power of a lens means that suppose that two or three types of lenses are basically are there in the contact with each other and they are forming a kind of combination. So in that case, you have to add the powers of those lenses algebraically. Algebraically means suppose that the power, suppose that one lens is of 2 diopter, another is basically positive 2 diopter. Algebraic means just add them normally that way. Okay. So it would be DD minus 2D would be equals to 1 diopter. This is clear to all of you, please let me know.
रुक जाते ना
Okay, done. ठीक है. So please let me know if it's clear to all of you.
Sir, can you repeat? Your voice was lacking.
Okay. So I was saying that the combination of power of a lens. Suppose that two lenses, different types of lenses are there like this, right? So they are in combination. They are forming a combination, right? So in that case, the resultant power of a lens, the resultant combination leads to the algebraic addition. So how will you add them? Suppose this is 2 diopter, this is negative 3 diopter, this is 4 diopter. So if you basically want to find the combination of this power of a lens, okay? So how you will add them? So resultant power would be equals to P1 plus P2 plus P2. Okay, so that's how you will solve it. Okay, it means that if the combination is coming out to be negative, so combination the resultant is coming out to be negative, so it will perform as diverging. It means that it will diverge the ray, right? And if the combo is coming out to be positive, so in that case, it will be acting as a converge. Is this clear to all of you? Please let me know once.
Yes.
Any doubt,
Yes.
Faizan, Aayan, Arish, and Zainab?
No.
Yes.
No doubt?
No.
Please say yes or no, at least. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, all these things are already there in the notes. No need to write it again and again. Because I don't have the notes right now, so I won't be able to state the speech. That's why I have to write something on the board. Okay, one more thing is that suppose that so as I've told you that so power is inversely proportional to focal length. So it means that higher the focal length, lower will be the power. Clear?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. So next thing that we could discuss is basically just one diopter. So one diopter means that 1 that's what 1 diopter is. ठीक है तो देखो 1 diopter कैसे होगा 1 by f है ठीक है so by f to substitute the value of focal length as 1 meter ठीक है so it would be 1 diopter ठीक है clear हो सबको this clear to all Aayan Arish and Faizan Zara
Yes.
any doubt so far
No.
No.
so write down the basically this formula would be like ठीक है P1 plus P2 plus P2 plus P3 so that's how you will add them up to and then how okay depending on the number of lenses this is clear to all of you
Yes.
any doubts so far to anyone
No.
so so majority of the theory portion is covered so far right and in the remaining so in the coming classes what we will do is that we will be covering the formula in a one session okay like suppose we will be doing the mirror formula we will be doing the lens formula and we will be doing the power of the lens as well. I think so we have not done the formula we have not done the numerical based on the refractive index right so the refractive index also is there so we will be doing the numerical based on the four topics mirror formula refractive index lens formula and power of the lens this is clear to all of you
Yeah.
yes Anna
No, I just agreed to it.
Anju. So is there anyone who is having any doubt so far in this class, like in this topic so far, this chapter? Anything? Because right now we have like 15 minutes, so we could discuss that. We could discuss your doubt if you have. Because the theory portion is done, and if you have any doubt in any of the topic, I could explain it for you. Anyone? Tell me. Focal length of concave mirror. What will be the value? It would be negative F or positive F. Aayan, Zainab, Arish, and Faizan. Positive F or negative F?
Negative.
Let me know in the chat. Chat would cover. Aayan, Faizan, and Arish. And Ibad. Okay, Ibad. Faizan and Aayan and Arish. ठीक है यार. Yeah, so it will be focal length of three concave lens. ठीक है बात. Okay, यार. Okay, यार. Faizan and Arish. Concave lens, focal length of a concave lens. Okay, Arish. Faizan.
Yes.
Let me know in the chat, Faizan. False. No. Concave lens, focal length for concave lens is false, negative. So both lens and mirror of concave nature will be having negative focal length. That's clear to all of you. Does anybody have any doubt so far?
No, sir.
No.
So let me ask one more thing. Focal length of convex lens. Okay. Aayan. Rest of you, Faizan, Arish, Zainab. Ribad. Yeah, so that would be false. Yeah, very good. Convex mirror focal length. Be false. Okay. Both concave, convex nature, mirror and lens will be having the positive focal length. This is clear to all of you. Does anybody have any doubt so far?
No.
Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
चलो ठीक है. Okay, I'm asking one more thing. Fractal index of 2 with respect to 1. Tell me which one is correct. Just a second. Option A, n1 by n2. Option 2, n2 by n1. Option 3, can't say. Yeah, option 4, none of the above. Tell me in the chat which one is correct.
Sir, what is the question?
Chat. Which option is correct?
Sir, what is the question? I cannot understand that.
Okay, okay. Okay, then. What about rest of them? Okay, Faizan. Okay. Take out. The refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 means in terms of refractive index, it would be refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. So option 2 is correct. Okay, clear? Option 1 would be correct if refractive index of medium 1 with respect to 2 will be the okay? Chalo, okay? So just a second, I'm giving you one more question. The question is hard. The question is refractive index of 2 with respect to 1. Option 1. A1 by A2. A2 by A1. By 1. Let me know the correct one.
Sir, isn't this the same question you wrote last time?
Faizan, please let me know in the chat. Please mute yourself. Question is what will be the value of refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 in terms of velocity? Yeah. Aayan and Faizan. Sure. Question is saying refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. Okay, but okay, that's good. Okay, it means that in terms of velocity, that would be v1 by v2. Okay, clearly, but Aayan, Faizan, Zainab, and Alish.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So V1 by V2. In terms of the refractive index, it would be N1 by N2 because it's not N1 by N2, it would be sorry, it would be N2 by N.
So what's the right answer though?
Option A would be N1 by N2, refractive index of medium 1 with respect to 2. Sorry, it's medium 1 na. हाँ ठीक है यही करेगा. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Any doubt so far?
No.
N2 by N1. I got confused but it's N2 by N1 if the refractive index and V1 by V2 in the velocity. This clear? Okay. There was a little bit confusion, so sorry for that. So let me raise this thing. Tell me one thing. Refractive index of water is 3 by 4. Suppose refractive index, absolute refractive index of glass is 4 by 3. I need the value of glass with respect to water. Tell me the answer. Fractions में बता देना. Have just used the hypothetical values. They are not the real values. So please ignore that because you will say that you have written the wrong values. I know that because yeah, but I'm just taking the example because I don't have any kind of book right now in my laptop so that I could open it and give you the questions. So please let me know this. Okay then. Aayan, Faizan, Arish, Ibad. Okay, so let me start. Question said that I need the refractive index of glass with respect to water. It means that the refractive index of glass with respect to water would be refractive index of glass divided by refractive index of water. Okay. So refractive index of glass is 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 4. As you can see, this thing, this is a double division, so this will go in the numerator, denominator, and this will go in the numerator. So it would be 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 3. So it's going to 16 by, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dana, you are saying something?
I just said okay.
Dana, you made a mistake. I know, but only-
I wrote it vice versa. I wrote 9 by 16.
So is this clear? So these are hypothetical values. These are not real. These are not the real values. So please ignore that. Just I'm telling you how to solve this kind of code. Just clear to all of you.
Yes.
Sure, okay. So as of now, we have completed the theoretical portion of the light chapter. The only portion that is left is the numerical portion. So in the coming class, I think so in the coming week, right? So there will be some classes for you for the human eye as well as the numerical portion, right, everyone? So in that class, in those classes, we will be solving the numerical